26th November, maintaining togetherness. Hebrews chapter 10 verses 24 to 39. Let us not give up meeting together, as some are in the habit of doing, but let us encourage one another, and all the more as you see the day approaching. Hebrews chapter 10 verse 25. Our fellowship with God must never become selfish. We must also fellowship with other Christians in the local assembly. Apparently, some of the wavering believers had been absenting themselves from the church fellowship. It is interesting to note that the emphasis here is not on what believers get from the assembly, but rather on what they contribute to the assembly. Faithfulness in church attendance encourages others and provokes them to love and good works. One of the strong motives for faithfulness is the soon coming of Jesus Christ. In fact, the only other place the Greek word translated meeting together, verse 25, is used in the New Testament, which is in 2 Thessalonians chapter 2 verse 1, where it is translated gathered and deals with the coming of Christ. The three great Christian virtues are evidence here: faith, Hebrews chapter 10 verse 22, hope, verse 23, and love, verse 24. They are the fruit of our fellowship with God in His heavenly sanctuary. Something to ponder. What are the primary benefits you receive from group worship? What do you contribute to the group? Amen.